Welcome to St. Boniface, where charm meets opportunity in the form of this incredibly rare triplex.
We can't wait to show you this gem. If you're looking for an income property that has character and potential, you are going to love this one.
This street, tree-lined and filled with charm.
And this type of home, it's one that does not come up often.
We're standing in the heart of St. Boniface, one of Winnipeg's most walkable and sought-after neighborhoods. Just steps to Provencher, you've got cafés, bakeries, shops, parks, and festivals right at your doorstep. This street, it's quiet, tree-lined, and filled with charm. And the home, it's a kind of property that doesn't come up often.
This triplex has been owned and lived in by the same family for many years. It's not your typical rental property. This one has been treated like home.
Each unit has a total of 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, all of them having the most absolutely beautiful natural light, making it perfect for yourself or a tenant.
Outside, we have covered parking for all 3 units, which is a huge bonus, especially in our Winnipeg winters.
And let's talk about the basement suite with this incredible fireplace, windows that will surprise you with how big they are, letting in the sunlight. And here we are in the incredible kitchen. All you need to do here is put a stove and a fridge in place, and you have a fully functioning suite. Now, I know earlier we talked about each unit having 2 bedrooms, but in this one, we've got a door to outside, but it also has a closet and could be a bedroom. We've got a bedroom right over here, and then I'm going to tell you about some more flex space that we have. Over here, other bedroom, and over here, this could be a living room, or add a closet because it's got a door, and this could be your 3rd or 4th bedroom on this upstairs unit.
Whether you're looking for a multi-generational home to live in one unit and rent out the rest, or a solid investment property in one of Winnipeg's most desirable areas, this home is for you.
Each unit has access to the shared laundry, which is convenient and accessible for all. And each unit is even separately metered with a separate meter for the common space as well.
If you would like more details, would love to book a private showing, or simply want to chat about how this property fits into your real estate goals, reach out. We would love to show you around.
Because properties like this are rare and they don't stay around for long.